Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Here we are again with a new lesson in topic 14. So open your book page 803. Let's start with the first activity here. Today, before we start our lesson, we are going to learn how to make a line plot to organize data. Topic 14 in general talking about organizing data. I think we have studied something like this before in grade 1, which was the tally chart. The tally chart also is a way to organize data. Remember this and this. This means 5 and this means 2, like this, the tally chart. But today we will learn a new method to organize data, which is line plots. For example, here, the first activity, talking about what? Talking about finding 4 objects that are each shorter than 9 inches in your home around you, and measure the length of each object to the nearest inch. Record the measurements in the table. Then plot the data on the number line. Which object is longest, which is shortest. Okay, so here, I'll try to find some objects, 4 objects around me that are each shorter than 9 inches. For example, I have here a crayon, which is 3 inches, less than 9. And I have here also a book, which is 8 inches, less than 9 also. And I have also pencil, which is 7 inches. And I have also eraser, which is 2 inches. So after I finished recording the measurements in the table, I'm trying to represent these data on the number line. So here, the crane is 3 inches long. So I should put a dot over 3. Okay, where is 3 here on the number line? Here it is. So I should place here a dot. So this dot means that I have an object which is 3 inches long. How about the book is 8? So I should place here a dot. 7. Huh? Eraser 2. Yes, like this. So now I represent the data that I have in the table on the number line. Okay, let's move to the next page and see more examples here. I have this table, okay? Here is the object and here is the length. We have the glue stick, the string, the feather, the scissors. Okay, so the glue stick is 2, the second one is 4, the third is 6, and the fourth one is 4 inches long. Okay, you can see here in this line plot that I have here 2 dots. What does it mean that I have here 2 dots? It means that I have 2 objects which have the same length. So I have here, yes, the string and the scissor, they are 4. So that's why I have here 2 dots. Okay, how about moving to the question number 1? I have here a marker and here is the crayon. The marker, he said that it's 4 inches long. Try to use the ruler and try to measure the length of the crayon. The crayon, if I used my ruler, it is 3 inches long. Now I'm going to record the data inside the table. Okay, so the marker is 4, the crayon is 3. So the next step is trying to represent this data on the number line. Here the 4, the marker is 4 inches, that's why he did a dot over 4. How about 3, the crayon? Yes, it's a 3, so I should put here also a dot over 3. I think it's easy now. Let's move to the next page. The pen to brush, we have here how many objects? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 objects. The first object, try to measure the length of each one. Huh? Yeah. So the first one is 5. The second one is 3. The third one is 6. Huh? The last one is 2. So the next step is going to record this data inside this table. So the first one, we see that it's 5, then 3, then 6, then 2. Third step is going to represent this data on the number line. So, 5. Yeah, I should place it here a dot. Huh? How about, yes, 3. Here it is, another dot. 6, above 6. Huh? The glue stick only is here. So I have here one object which is 2 inches long, one object which is 3 inches long, one object which is 5 inches long, and one object which is 4 inches long. Now I represented this data inside the table on the number line. This number line is called line plot. So now we already got two methods in organizing data. The first one was in grade 1, which is tally chart, and the second one is line plot. Okay, moving to the next page. The question number 8, talking about someone is called Sophia, measure the length of her colored pencil. So she has colored pencil and she made a table. Here's the data to make a line plot. Okay, here is the data that we have. The pencil or the color or the pencil color and length in inches. The red pencil was 4 and the blue was 3, the green 7 and the yellow is 9. So here, try to represent this data on the number line so we can make the line plot. So the first pencil was 4. So where is 4? Here it is. So I should place a dot above it. The blue, yeah, 3, another dot above 3. Green, 7, yes, hers. The yellow is 9. Okay. The question number 9 asking about the shortest pencil. So I have 4, 3, 7, 9. So yes, the blue one is the shortest pencil because it's 3 inches long. That's why the shortest pencil is the blue one. The blue one, blue pencil. So the blue pencil is the shortest one because the other pencils, they are longer than 3. 4 longer than 3, 7 longer than 3. The other, they are longer than 3. Moving to the question number 10. Which two pencils have total length of 16 inches? So try to pick two pencils. The sum of their length is 16. So it can be red and blue or blue and green or green and yellow or yellow and red. Any two pencils. Huh? Okay. Yeah, yes, excellent. The green and the yellow one. They are 16, 7 plus 9. So green plus the yellow because 7 plus 9 is 16 inches long. He said measure the length of the purple pencil in inches. Okay, try to measure the length using the ruler. Yes, excellent. It's 3 inches long. Then he said record your measurements on the line plot above in item 8. Here's item 8. So where should I place uh, the purple pencil? The purple pencil is 3 inches long. So where should I place my dot? Yes, my dot should be here, above 3. So how many dots I have here? 2 dots, right? Yes, because I have two objects have the same length, right? Excellent. Okay, guys, now we already finished our session. See you inshallah in the next lesson.